Probably nandito kayo dahil napanood nyo ang first impression ko and unboxing ng Vivo Y01. And naintriga kayo siguro sa price, no? Kayo mga marites. And the price, sasabihin ko sa'yo after the intro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic and welcome back to my channel. And of course, kayo mga marites, alam ko, intriga kayo kung gaano kamura itong Vivo Y01. Sabihin ko na sa inyo, ang 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage is only priced at 5,299 pesos. It's affordable and it's even better than yung mga brands at that price point. So papakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang aking experience dito sa phone na ito. And I'm really blown away na given ito ay isang MediaTek Helio P35. I know nasa itong price range na sinabi ko sa inyo, 5,299. Normally makukuha niyo mga Unisoc. Mabagal, medyo laggy. But this one, si P35 for me at this price point, it's a performer. Binigyan ko siya ng mga multitasking na kailangan ko on a daily usage. Like browsing the social media, watching some videos, and of course, well, doing some video chat. Kayang-kaya naman niya. Maning-mani, wala ka problema. Hindi naman siya naglalag. And it was able to score 112,000 points. Unlike yung mga ibang phone at this price point, nakakuha lang sila mga 85,000 points and to benchmark. This one, for me, okay na siya. Alam mo, ang simplified niyang home screen is very easy to access. Kahit mga medyo elderly sa atin, kayang-kaya nilang gamitin without a problem. And if plano niyong bumili nito phone nito for your child's online education, wala siyang problema dahil pag drop down nyo, meron kang makikita eye protection dito. You simply need to turn it on para maprotekta ang mata ng iyong mga anak. Alam mo guys, normally mga phone na ganitong presyo, medyo mabigat, medyo hindi magandang design. And I was really surprised na sa 5,000 pesos ko, I can get a 3D design sa likod, which is, pwede mong pagkamalang mid-ranger siya. Plus, manipis siya. It's a thin phone. And surprisingly, lightweight din siya. Na, well, hindi mo mabibili to sa ganitong presyo sa ibang brands. Kay Vivo lang. Ang phone na ito, medyo jam pack ang kanyang battery. And surprisingly, thin and light, 5,000 mAh of battery. It can support up to 10 watts na charging. Hindi siya fast charging, take note. And nag-charge tayo from 15 to 100. It took me roughly around 2.5 oras. And well, medyo may kunting katagalan, but normally 10 watts? What do you expect? 10 watts lang siya. Ang pinakagusto ko rin siguro dito sa phone na ito is sobrang kunat ang kanyang battery. 2 days tinagal sa akin itong phone na ito, ang kanyang battery from 100%. And what I did is simple lang. Normal daily usage, social media, Viber calls, and of course, watching some videos. Kasi hindi ako na nag-gaming dito sa phone na ito kasi medyo hindi talaga siya build for gaming. And sabi ni PC Mark, it was able to squeak out 16 hours and 31 minutes na screen on time. For me, matagal na siya. And on average usage, 2 days is more than enough. And hindi lang yun. Guys, alam mo ba, itong phone na ito, you can use it as a power bank. Meron siyang reverse charging na normally meron sa mga phone around 13,000 pesos above. Ito, andyan na siya. The only thing na siguro hindi ko gusto sa kanya, micro USB pa siya. Well, 2022 na, sana naglagay ng konting effort si Vivo at gawing Type-C to. I'm sure it's a lot better. Kasi ako, wala na akong micro USB cable sa bahay, to be honest. Now, itong phone na ito, it has single camera sa likod na 8MP and 5MP camera na teardrop notch dito sa harap. And taking some photos, well, not the best on any smartphone that I've tried. But since this is only a budget series, around 5,000 pesos, so I lowered down the expectation ko in taking some photos. And going outdoors, well, there are some photos na okay. Nakapagkuha naman siya ng some good shots dito sa phone na ito. And of course, some photos here, I was able to take some punchy ones and some, well, not so punchy outdoors. And pagdating naman sa indoors, well, there are some okay naman na shots dahil well-lit naman ang place. And speaking of selfie, 5MP ang kanyang camera. I don't expect too much from it. And going outdoors, okay naman. Basta as long may ilaw, matino ang ilaw, you can get some pretty decent shots. But of course, using it on Zoom and using on Viber chat, video chat, okay naman siya. Was able to ask yung counterpart ko sa kabila, kamusta ang aking video? Sabi, okay naman. Legitly okay. Still better sa mga laptops no, na may 2MP lang na web camera. Now, after using itong phone na ito for 2 weeks as my backup device, I can tell you na okay siya. I love the display. Ang laki ng display niya. Gustong-gusto ko siya dahil magaan siya sa aking pocket at 178 grams. I mean, ganito kalaking phone, 178 grams is pretty nice and pretty thin. Yun ang siguro winning factor para sa akin, no? But on the contrary, the charging port could have been a Type-C. That would be a lot better for me. And of course, panalo ang price niya. 5,299. And of course, for the 1,000 first buyer, meron freebie si Vivo. I'll post it on the link below. Check nyo lang. And guys, of course, if you want to continue watching, I have a lot of videos out there in this channel. And if you like this video, wag na forget na mag-like, subscribe, and of course, click yung bell icon kasi affordable na mag-click para lalong ako ganahin gumawa ng mga videos like this on this channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?